Yeah, see, here is pretty much a perfect example of the sort of things that we need to be looking for, where there is a tourism enterprise of some description, a makeshift place where you can buy some snacks, some four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, all-terrain vehicles. There are people hiring paragliders to take tourists up there. There are people here renting horse rides. And the place is absolutely untidy. It's disorganized. There is no logical space for people to be here. There's no development whatsoever. There's no public utilities. There's no formalized eating place if there needs to be. It's just a complete and total mess. But it's still popular, as you can see. Very popular. People stopping here on the way to the ski fields and on the way to Charvak, which is the big reservoir that we can see down there. Now, to take this and make it into something really good, but not necessarily modern by any degree, it can still be extremely rustic. Shade places, organized parking, a commissioned food outlet, public toilets, and so forth and so on. I don't know how much it would take, but maybe $1.5 million, something like that. So for a small investment, you could actually concession out 3 or 4 different aspects to it. Plus, you could have the rides and paragliding and so forth. So if it was organized, you'd probably have 3 businesses, 4, 5 businesses, small businesses, and also perhaps employ 30 or 40 people in a formal sense and in a formal atmosphere. They're having fun, but the place itself is a complete mess.